If you're ready to reclaim your desk space and sharpen your gameplay, the Razer Huntsman Mini is the gold standard for 60% keyboards. By stripping away the bloated number pad and function row, Razer has created a compact powerhouse that gives your mouse all the room it needs to dominate, whether you're flicking in competitive shooters or navigating complex creative software. The star of the show here is Razer's Clicky Optical Switches. Unlike traditional mechanical switches that rely on physical metal contacts, these use light-based actuation, making them incredibly fast and reliable. You get that satisfying, tactile click with every single keystroke, and the response time is virtually instantaneous, giving you a genuine edge when every millisecond counts. Built for the long haul, the keyboard features a sleek aluminum top frame that feels premium and rock-solid under pressure. You won't see any deck flex here, even during the most intense gaming sessions. Plus, with the double-shot PT keycaps, the texture stays grippy, and the legends won't fade or get that shiny look over time. It's a board built to look and feel like new, years down the line. What really pushes this board over the top is the inclusion of Snap Tap, Razer's latest tech designed to prioritize the most recent input, allowing for faster, more responsive movement in-game. Combined with the vibrant Chroma RGB lighting and the ability to save your custom lighting and macros directly to the onboard memory, you're getting a professional-grade tool that travels with you. Whether you're at home or moving between tournament stations, your settings stay exactly the way you like them. If you're tired of a cramped desk and want a keyboard that's fast, durable, and refined for the modern gamer, this is the upgrade you need. You can find the best price for the Razer Huntsman Mini by clicking the link below.